It's really easy to forget how much of an impact our manufacturing industrial clients make.
These companies are making these things behind the scenes that you don't even really notice in the day-to-day things that you buy on a regular basis.
Phones to coffee makers to the components in our cars. It's around us all the time.
So we supply products to distributors, hospitals, gas turbines, all types of industries.
The market segment that we're in is called in material handling. It impacts everything. Everything is touched by a forklift, by a conveyor belt, by a smart robot, everything.
Yeah, there's a lot of things that I've taken a lot of pride in knowing that I put something out there. If you drive around town every once in a while, and I'll see something we did, I'll go, like, I did that. That's a pretty cool feeling.
I believe manufacturing is important here in the U.S. to keep everybody working and helping our economy grow.
When you look at the United States as a whole, when manufacturing is good and distribution is good, things are pretty good for people.
85% of our clients are industrial based. We work with a lot of small to medium-sized businesses, and they're all very family oriented. And it's really kind of cool to see their businesses grow from small mom and pop industrial spaces to large companies.
I don't think you'll meet a group who learned so much, who just adopted the industrial space and loves it so much.
I don't think I've been in a single client meeting with an industrial client where I ask them a question about their lead times or new materials or changes in our economy, and they haven't just chomped at the bit to tell us the answer, to explain what's going on, and they have so much passion, and that translates to us. So I am very thankful for them sharing their knowledge with us, because that helps us do what we do.